The 1990s were a golden era for motorcycles, with manufacturers pushing the limits of design, performance, and technology. This decade saw the rise of sport bikes and powerful cruisers that still hold legendary status today. Here are 10 iconic motorcycles that defined the 90s. The Yamaha FZR1000 has been regarded as one of the best Yamaha sport bikes since its release in 1987. Powered by a 1002cc inline-4 engine, producing around 148 horsepower, it delivered a thrilling combination of power and agility. The FZR1000 featured an innovative aluminum delta box frame that enhanced stability and precision, making it a force to be reckoned with on both the track and the street. Capable of hitting speeds over 160 miles per hour, it wasn't just fast, it handled like a dream, thanks to its lightweight aluminum frame and advanced suspension. Its distinctive dual headlamps and aerodynamic fairings set a benchmark for design in its era. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11, also known as the ZZR1100, was a game-changer in the superbike world of the 1990s. Launched in 1990, it didn't just raise the bar, it shattered it. Dubbed the fastest motorcycle on the planet at the time, this beast packed a 1052cc inline-4 engine, punching out 147 horsepower, rocketing to a blistering 176 miles per hour. It dominated the sport touring category and remained an icon for high-speed performance. More than just speed, the ZX-11 boasted an aggressive, aerodynamic design that made it a dream machine for adrenaline junkies. Its reign lasted through the decade, cementing its place as a legend in Kawasaki's high-performance legacy. The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, introduced in 1990, is an iconic cruiser motorcycle renowned for its distinctive design and powerful performance. Thanks in part to its appearance in Terminator 2: Judgment Day, its solid disc wheels, muscular design, and 1,340cc V-twin engine made it a symbol of American cruiser culture throughout the decade. The Fat Boy epitomizes the classic muscular cruiser look, featuring chrome accents, a low-slung profile, and a unique front end with a prominent headlamp. It has been a favorite among Harley enthusiasts for its comfortable, relaxed riding experience and timeless aesthetics. Introduced in 1992, the Honda CBR 900RR was a revolutionary sport bike that changed the landscape of the high-performance motorcycle world. Dubbed the Fireblade, it was a lean, lightweight machine powered by an 893cc inline-4 engine. The CBR 900RR was meticulously engineered for maximum power-to-weight ratio, boasting 122 horsepower. Weighing only 185 kilograms, it was significantly lighter than other litter bikes, giving it an unparalleled advantage in handling. The CBR 900RR's exceptional balance of power and agility not only made it a force to be reckoned with on the racetrack, but also contributed to its legendary status among motorcycle enthusiasts. The Ducati Monster began an important segment of motorcycles after it was first introduced in 1992. It played a pivotal role in popularizing naked bikes throughout the decade. Powered by an air-cooled 904cc L-twin engine, the Monster delivered 73 horsepower, combining Ducati's signature torque-rich performance with a lightweight steel trellis frame. Its minimalist yet aggressive design, paired with an unmistakable V-twin roar, made it an instant icon. The Monster's success not only redefined Ducati's image, but also set a trend that influenced countless motorcycle manufacturers, cementing its legacy as an iconic and timeless two-wheeled classic. The Triumph Speed Triple, introduced in 1994, was also a defining motorcycle of the era, marking Triumph's re-emergence into the sport bike scene. Its minimalist design showcased an exposed engine and distinctive headlamp arrangement. At its heart, was a liquid-cooled 885cc inline-3 engine, producing 98 horsepower, delivering a thrilling mix of brute power and sharp handling. Unlike traditional sport bikes, the Speed Triple's Street Fighter aesthetics and thrilling performance made it an instant icon. Celebrated for its raw attitude and dynamic ride, the Speed Triple not only won over riders, but also influenced future motorcycle designs, securing Triumph's place as a powerhouse in the industry. Considered one of the most beautiful motorcycles ever built, the Ducati 916 combined Italian elegance with race-winning performance. At the heart of this superbike lies a 916cc V-twin engine, producing 114 horsepower, delivering exhilarating performance, and a distinct exhaust note. As much as it's celebrated for its exquisite styling, with a single-sided swing arm and trellis frame, the 916 also backed its looks with performance. The 916's success on the racetrack, including 4 World Superbike Championships, cemented its status as a high-performance legend. It is not just a motorcycle, it's a piece of art and a pivotal chapter in Ducati's history, marking an era of innovation and racing. Originally introduced in the 80s, the Suzuki GSX-R750 was completely and thoroughly updated in 1996 and soon became famous as the leader bike killer. Renowned for its agility, power, and enduring legacy, this mid-sized supersport boasted a 749cc inline-4 engine, providing a potent balance between acceleration and handling. It perfectly bridged the gap between 600 and 1000cc machines, offering the best of both worlds in terms of agility and power. The GSX-R750 consistently outperformed its competition on the track and the streets. Its lightweight chassis and precise handling made it a favorite among riders seeking exhilarating rides. Although it arrived late in the decade, the Yamaha YZF-R1 changed the game for superbikes. The R1 introduced a radical shift in motorcycle design and performance, setting new standards for lightweight, high-powered machines. Powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine producing 149 horsepower, it set new standards for power-to-weight ratio and handling. Its aluminum delta box frame and aggressive styling made it exceptionally nimble and aerodynamic. This innovative bike dominated the market and inspired subsequent sport bike designs, leaving an enduring legacy as an icon of the superbike realm and a symbol of Yamaha's dedication to cutting-edge engineering. The decade of the 1990s went out with a bang with the introduction of the Suzuki Hayabusa, a bike that shattered speed records. With a 1,299cc engine producing nearly 175 horsepower. It became the first production motorcycle to break the 300 km/h barrier. Its highly impressive handling and braking capabilities made it more than just a straight-line missile. The Hayabusa excelled in speed and offered impressive handling capabilities, making it an enduring symbol of motorcycle engineering excellence. Its distinctive aerodynamic design and unmatched speed made it an icon of raw power. These 10 motorcycles not only defined their era, but also shaped the future of motorcycling through their innovative designs and groundbreaking performance capabilities. Each model reflects the spirit of adventure and freedom that characterized motorcycling in the 90s.